So I'm with David Waghorn here from Hurco. It is the Hurco annual open house that happens every December. David, it's towards the end of day 2 here. It's just been 2 days this year. How has the show been for you this time around?
Yeah, it's been very busy, busier probably than I thought, although we had a lot of pre-registrations this year. We had 30 or 40 people for both days.
What were the highlights for people that were attending? I know we've spoken to a few, but in your opinion?
We've good range of 5-axis machines, lots to see on the 5-axis side. The new software, the solid model import, has been a big hit. We've had a lot of customers coming in wanting demonstrations on that side. But there's been some nice deals as well. We're doing a special deal on the BX50 and the VMX50. I've been putting out a lot of quotes.
I like the kind of the supply village in the middle as well. That works quite well when you're walking around. You can look at a machine and then look at maybe associated products with it, can't you? Do you get the same feedback?
It makes the day more worthwhile rather than just coming and standing in front of a salesman who might be trying to sell you something. There's an opportunity to talk to all our sort of primary suppliers. So, and most of the things that you need with a machine tool are here. There's tooling, there's work holding, Renishaw are here, 3 CAD/CAM companies here. There's a lot to see, automation.
Picking out a couple of things from my highlights, these BX ranges, and I looked at them before the event, but they really are head turners, aren't they? They're going to be big for your business, I think. Certainly mould and die, high-speed machining, bigger working envelopes.
We have a lot of customers who are mould makers, press tool makers, and they need a lot of Y-axis travel. That construction of machine gives you a bigger Y-axis, but it's also a higher spec machine, so it has motorized spindle, linear scales, through spindle coolant.
And what about the 5-axis as well? The variety of 5-axis you've got here, the new VC, all of those, they must be turning heads too.
We're finding we're selling more and more 5-axis. Probably the flagship machine is the SRT with the torque motor on the B and the C axis. But the new VC gives a bit more accessibility for one-offs on big parts and things like that.
And so it has been a great event. 2019 is just around the corner. What's going to be the big things for Hurco next year, David?
The really big thing for us is it looks like we're moving. We finally decided this building probably isn't quite big enough for us. So I'm close to signing a lease on a building twice the size that hopefully we'll be able to use for a bigger demonstration area and also a much bigger operation. It should just make shipping more machines easier.
You could probably do with carrying a bit more stock, couldn't you?
Possibly.
Brilliant. I'm glad you've had a good show again. That's it from us here at the Hurco Open House in 2018.